In this video, I'll show you how to swap in Binance Web3 wallet. So if you want to swap crypto on Binance Web3 wallet, so after you open up now the Binance Web3 wallet like this now, just go to the wallet section. So from this option now, go to trade. So under the trade now, here is the swap section. So all you have to do now, tap on this option now to select the coin you want to swap from. So for me, I have already selected. So I've already selected BNB. You can tap on this option to select the coin. So there is different list of coins. So I will just go ahead and use BNB. After you select the coin you want to, from there you can this option now go and specify the amount you want to swap. So I'm using 0.5 of BNB. Then from there swap from 2. So you can tap on this option now to select the coin you want to swap to. So here are different lists of coins. So I will just go ahead now. Let's say I'll select this one, this banana. So I'll select this one. So after you select the coin you want to transfer to, after you specify the amount in this option now, so here it will give you the amount of this coin that you will receive if you give them this BNB. So I can be able to receive this amount of the banana. So from there, if I have any amount of BNB on my Binance Web3 wallet, so I can be able to see the swap button. Because now I don't have any balance, that's why it now give me insufficient fund. Just tap on the swap button. From there, the swap option will be available for you. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.